Let's see how to open the fork from the BSA A65 1968. First, we remove the spring. And then we undo the seal holder. For that, you're gonna have to make a tool or order or whatever. It's just I made it because it's just a piece of pipe, and the inner diameter is 36 millimeters. That means something like 1.42 inches or something. So it's a piece of pipe with two dogs, like this, the right size. They are the height is like 4 millimeters, and it's like 13 or 12.5 millimeters thick. So, and then there's another tube or whatever. So, got it in, and the dogs need to fall into the hose, and then you loosen it. You look at the bushes, because they are usually worn. That's my case. I gotta make some new ones. You can see it, if it's worn. Then you can feel the play. Now, it's not that visible on the video. It's not really visible, but the play is gonna be. You can just feel it. But if it's more than the steering, it's gonna be a little bit nervous or something. So you have to make new bushes. No, that's it.